Hi, I'm Alisha. Today I'm going to explain how to your Google locked Samsung device unlock easy and fast way. What you need to unlock your device? Your Google locked device. USB cable. Windows computer or laptop. Internet connection to Windows computer. Okay, let's start. Open your web browser and go to unlockingpartners.com website. This website is world #1 unlocking website for unlock Samsung devices and more. Okay, now click Samsung Google Unlock Service and order service now. Okay, next click Download tab and download TeamViewer software to your Windows computer, and after install it and open it, now you can see TeamViewer ID and password. Okay, now contact unlocking partners using WhatsApp, email or Messenger and send TeamViewer ID and password. Then you can see unlocking partners technician connect to your computer and start to unlock your device. Plug your device using USB cable and wait few minutes. After few minutes you can see technician 100% unlocked your device.